Hello everyone, and I'm back. Welcome to Case Cafe. Your happiness life coach is here, Kiran. So I'm sure all of you are doing wonderfully well. So, friends, today I'm going to talk on a very interesting topic once again, goals, right? So, we do have uh, goals in our mind, we do set goals. Every now and then, every stage of life, we have goals to set in, especially when we are moving towards career, moving towards a new phase of life. We do set our goals, and why is it important to set our goals? And in this video, I'm going to tell you a very smart way of setting goals, which is actually going to make you succeed and achieve where you really want to go. So, guys, all set. So, to begin with, simply what is goal? So, what is a goal is where something you want to accomplish in life, you want to see yourself achieve certain things, maybe in position of a job, in position of a promotion in your life, in position of where you really want to have lot of success in all spheres of life, or you want to really see yourself traveling worldwide, being someone very famous, whatever. Everyone has their goal. So, goal is some desire, and where you really want to see yourself in future. So, firstly, goal is always for future, very rightly. And why is it important to set goals? So, until and unless we set up goals, it is actually directionless. Otherwise, our life has no meaning and we just don't know where we are heading to. So, first point, always head towards a certain goal. And it's always a good idea to set goals for yourself in any phase of your life, whether you are a student or a working professional, or maybe a homemaker or a college goer, or maybe someone really already have succeeded but still you want to even do better in your life, so have a goal. So it's always important to have a direction in our mind and move towards that direction. So hence goals are very important, and it is a great idea to have your goals set right before you start taking actions, right? So why it is important and what are goals? Now, thirdly, how should we set our goals? Is there any way, is there any manner in which we can set our goals? Yes, of course, yes, it is very important. Firstly, to write your goals. Why do I say write your goals? Because once you have etched something on pen, on paper, it really plays on your subconscious mind, and everything in the environment hence start moving and starts aligning with your subconscious mind, your heart, what you really want to do, and everything starts moving in that direction. So it's always important to be very, very clear about your goals and pen them down on a post-it and put it wherever you feel comfortable, or you're spending more time of your day, maybe your bedroom, maybe your study room, maybe your cupboard, anywhere you feel comfortable, and you can see that right up right in front of you. So writing of goals very important. Next, what I said that having smart goals. Now, what do you mean by having smart goals? So, as the word suggests, SMART. Yes. So here we can see that how these each alphabet help us in making our goal a smart one, right? So to begin with, when I say S, that means I have a specific goal in mind. So if I have a haphazard goal, it won't really work, right? So, for example, I say I want to lose weight, I want to become fit, right? So it is a specific goal. Along with that, I must know that how much weight do I want to reduce. Is it 2 kgs, 4 kgs, 5 kgs? So I need to be very specific that I need to lose 4 kgs of weight, right? So a very specific clarity in your mind that I want to do this. Or in another way, we can say, for example, I want to earn, right? Now, how much I want to earn? So maybe 1 lakh rupees per month I want to earn. So I need to be specific. Or I can just say that I want to earn. I want to earn big amount, lots of money. But how much is that lots? That's very important. So making a very specific target, making a very specific goal is very important. Secondly, M. So M stands for measurable. Now measurable, that means you can measure that how much you have achieved. Are you really moving in the right direction? So the same example, if I say that if I have targeted 4 kgs of weight loss in a month, is it measurable? Can I really measure it that yes, after 2 months at least 1 kg is lost? So my goal has to be measurable, where I can really see where I have reached or how much I have succeeded in achieving that goal. Next comes A. Now A stands for achievable. So goals must be achievable. Now why I say achievable? If I say I am going to lose 20 kgs in a month, is that possible? Absolutely no. I don't know what I have to do for that. So something which is achievable, at target where I can work on. And if I can see that yes, this target is achievable, then my action is really going to work towards it. I will start gymming, I will start exercising, I will start doing yoga, I will start taking care of my diet, and then I will see that yes, this is achievable target. So keep that in mind, which is very important. So you have to be specific, then you have to be, your goal has to be measurable. Thirdly, it has to be achievable, right? So SMA. Now comes R. Now when I say R, again something similar like achievable. R stands for realistic. Now what is realistic? Similar example I can give you that okay, one fine day I get up and I say I want to lose weight. Now I am so bogged down with work, I don't have time, but still I have made that huge target, which is not at all realistic. Now, the goals have to be realistic, which is really going to happen. You think you are going to work hard, you are going to put all your heart and soul into that, and hence you are going to be there where you had targeted and where you want to see yourself. So something very realistic. That is very important. Nextly, last I say that it has to be, your goal has to be time bound. Now when I say time bound, I can't say that okay, I want to lose weight, but in how much time? That is very important. So if I say okay, 3 months I want to lose 5 kgs, so I have a time frame, right? Now when I have a time frame, I know that if it is 1.5 months, I should have shed 2.5 kgs, right? So once I have a time frame, I know how much I need to work upon, how much I need to really exercise, how much I need to take care of my diet. So dear friends, time bound. So, with a very simple example, which is the most common example, that most of us are really fighting the battle of the bulge every day, and we want to lose weight. So, like this, even the students they can have their own SMART goals, where you have a specific goal, and then you have a measurable goal, and then it is achievable goal. Next, it is a realistic goal, not something unrealistic. And lastly, it is time bound. So that is very important. So here goes the SMART goals, which is really going to help you to achieve success in life. So, guys, take a pen and paper, start putting down this word SMART, that how I can really put my goal into this, under this word, and how can I really fit in all my dreams and desires towards this specific target, towards that realistic target, towards this time bound target, towards this achievable target, and a very specific clarity of words. And I also said that one must pen down the goals with very clear words, with what actually you want, how much you want, what do you want in life, and when do you want it to happen. So take a piece of paper and pen down all this. It is really going to come true. That is what is a promise from Case Cafe. Just try it once and start repeating and start working towards that. Remember, there is no shortcut to success. But yes, nothing is unachievable, nothing is impossible. If you really work towards your goal, it's all there. So dream whatever you want, set up SMART goals and work towards it and achieve success. So this is what Case Cafe, your happiness life coach, brings for you today. And I would like to hear your goals and how you are working on your goals. Do visit my website, happiness life coach, Case Cafe happiness.lifecoach.com, and do message me, do follow my channel, and thank you all for all the love and so much of abundance of love you have really shown me. So I'm very grateful for that. So I'll catch up very soon with another video. Here's your happiness life coach Kiran saying bye bye and take care to you. Happy goal setting.